Gas grill. What does it mean? Hello dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive deep into understanding the phrase, gas grill. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Gas. When we refer to gas in everyday language, we're usually talking about a substance that can be burned to produce heat or power. It can be a natural substance like the gas we use in our homes for cooking, or it can be a manufactured one. It's not solid or liquid. It's airy and can fill up spaces. Grill. A grill is a cooking device. It has a surface with several parallel metal bars or a solid metal plate where food is placed to be cooked. The heat comes from below, and it often gives the food a distinctive pattern and flavor. Now, when we combine these two words, we get gas grill. A gas grill is a type of grill that uses gas as its heat source. Instead of using charcoal or wood, which are common in traditional grills, a gas grill uses either propane or natural gas to produce flames and cook the food. These grills are popular because they heat up quickly, allow for easy temperature control, and are generally clean to use. Let's see how we can use gas grill in a sentence. 1. We bought a gas grill for our backyard. Now, we can have barbecues anytime. 2. Make sure you clean the gas grill after using it to ensure it lasts longer. 3. I prefer using a gas grill over a charcoal one because it's more convenient. And that's it. Now you know what a gas grill is and how to use the term appropriately. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey to master the English language. Until next time, keep learning and happy grilling.